amazing as well.
Okay.
On the back we have cocktails and wines. I also have tea, lemonade, Coke products. I have mimosas, coffees, fresh squeezed juices. So I got a bunch of options for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Requires for the drink, do a mimosa for me.
Okay. I have a cranberry, grapefruit, pineapple, or orange.
Try that grapefruit.
Grapefruit? We got you.
Can I get the Simply Paradise?
Simply Paradise.
Yeah.
And then just water. I have lemonade or tea or anything.
Yeah, she just water.
Alright, I got you.
You ready to order?
Yeah.
Mimosa, and then you said the Simply Paradise, yeah?
Yes.
And then what are we doing?
Can I get the huevos rancheros?
Yeah, I got you.
But can I sub the brisket for chicken?
So it's actually all kind of mixed in together already.
Can I take the brisket out?
We can't take any
No.
of that. Yeah, any of that stuff out.
What was that backup plan?
Though I don't know. Should I get the chicken and waffles?
Yes, sir.
Or the Benedict?
Which
Which one? The Benedict or the chicken and waffles?
What was it? You said the chicken waffles?
The Benedict or the chicken and waffles?
I was going to get the chicken.
How about I grab these drinks?
Okay.
Can you take that over? Yeah, I'll be right back.
See, I told you.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
They have honey.
Yeah, eat it. Yes.
It kind of give me like a smoky, but like a smoked honey. It's good, right?
Yeah, raw honey.
This is good for you, so you need to take a bite out of one of these.
Really?
Yes, Melvin.
I don't like that shit. Man.
Come on, put some honey on it. Here.
Make too much sense. Put the lid down. That's a lot.
That's for the whole one.
What do you mean for the whole one?
Oh, yeah.
No, that's for this one. You just said you get that whole rock. That's why you. That's
I
why.
thought it was the whole chicken,
Hello.
the whole bird.
No.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Say what we got.
Waffles.
So we got waffles
What'd you get?
with fruit. What did you get?
Chicken sandwich, Yardbird, no bacon, but bacon clearly was on there.
Okay, I got the biscuits with gravy, chicken, cheese, and egg. I think that was really good.
It's
How
an
was
Ed
yours?
Benedict. It was good.
It
Fire.
looks good. Cause mine
Yeah, you got this.
biscuit
You're
and
the
the hash
fire
browns.
Fire raw honey too. Add the honey.
Fire. I'm gonna put some on mine.
Alright.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
I am.
Yeah. So,
Okay. Overall, did you enjoy the experience?
hell yeah, that shit was fire, especially when you wash it down with that good honey tea. Man.
Speak.
We're letting it transition.
Okay.
Wow, you're kind of impatient. So as we get here, I wanted to show, as we was walking up the stairs of the secluded area of the private party section, this is where you will have your brunch area, still secluded, yet elaborate and fine, whatever.
Okay, can you book with just calling the number?
Yes, you can just,
Okay.
refer me and they'll bless you.
Thanks for watching.
Dudes.
Oh yeah, it's nice.